what we're actually doing here is we're driving traffic back to our social media channel right here, like what we would want them to come over here and see, that I go live daily, that how to sell your advice online, pocket coaching, free courses. Okay, so I want to get people back here so that they click on my link, but we don't have to tell them to come back here. All we have to do is just be really valuable to them. Over at your YouTube is do the same thing. So you, in your YouTube channel, it's like, I'm like, join Make Once, break free, do you, be valuable, want to profit every day by selling your advice online, and then grab the free course, and it's makeonce.com. So they'll come check this out. And honestly, the banner, instead of just putting makeonce.com, I am going to be changing my banner a little bit so it's a little bit more descriptive on what it's all about. And then the other thing is you want all of your content, you know, when they come to here, all of your content needs to be focused on what it is that you're doing, okay? When they get there, they're not like, oh, this person's all over the place. They're thinking, wow, this person talks about this stuff, and I can start learning from this person. Let's take a look here. So in ChatGPT, it says foreign languages, data analytics, time management and productivity, mindfulness and well-being, graphic design, photography. So I'm gonna go to digital marketing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come over here to, you can do this in ChatGPT, or sorry, you can do this in all the social medias. Just come up here and put how to do digital, and then it says marketing, okay, for beginners. So I'm gonna click on that. And then, like most people are going to do, they're going to look at these top ones and probably go from that. So this is Digital Marketing 101. So I would on this, and in this video, and I would just pause it. And then I would come down here to the comments, and I'm literally going to go sort by the newest first. I want to hit the iron while it's hot, right? So if I can find the newest comments first, then hopefully they're, you know, this one just happened 3 days ago. And then I come over here to vidIQ, and then I go contains questions, and it puts the best ones up here at the top. So this first one here, it says, I'm starting a course in digital marketing next week. When the course is complete, I'm wondering what the next step is. They haven't even joined the course. They haven't even started the course yet. When you don't have your own business to promote. So should you pick a certain aspect like SEO or social media marketing and then search for jobs in those fields? So I could answer that myself, but I'm just going to do this quickly, and I'm going to grab this, come over here to ChatGPT, and I'm going to say, I found this comment on YouTube, and I want to reply to it with the most valuable answer, and I really want to help this person take action now in a way that is very beneficial to them. Make this answer short, sweet, and complete, and make it casual, professional, and very human-like. Don't include any call to action. Just give extremely great value that will make the person want to go check out who I am. Okay? And then I'll put, here's the question. Now, you see me hitting enter like this. If you're hitting enter without holding down the shift key, then it'll just send it, right? It'll send the question. So you always want to hold down shift and then hit return or whatever, or enter, and then it'll skip a line for you. And then I just literally I'm literally just pasting their question, okay? Now, it doesn't matter what anybody thinks about this. This damn machine is going to do a good job of replying to it, okay? So literally it says, absolutely excited for you starting your digital marketing journey. Post course, diving deep in a niche like SEO or social media marketing is a smart move. These are areas in high demand, and specializing can make you stand out. Consider creating a portfolio showcasing projects or case studies, even if hypothetical, to demonstrate your skills and understanding. Engage in online communities or platforms where digital marketing discussion happens, like LinkedIn or specific forums. This not only broadens your network, but also keeps you updated with industry trends. Remember, every brand with an online presence, values digital marketing expertise, so your skills can open the doors to various sectors. Keep learning, stay curious, and the right opportunities will find their way to you. Good luck. So I'm going to say to this, can you say this in less words and give this person a real action step that they can get results quickly with? Okay. Instead of can you, I will say, I will just say this in fewer words. If you go do this and you're solid about it, right? Like you literally go do this every single day with 30, 50 people, right? Because once you get the hang of this, you can just rock and roll. People are going to be just seeing you all over the place in this particular zone, okay? Because I went into where I'm in the whole online digital marketing, sell your advice online type thing. And if you are in that space, you should know if this is a good answer or not the way it replies. So starting in digital marketing, great choice. Focus on niche like SEO, stand out. Build a portfolio with any projects you can, even hypothetical ones work. Get active on LinkedIn, join digital marketing groups for networking and trends. This hands-on approach and networking will quickly sharpen your skills and connect you with job opportunities. Dive in, stay curious, and you'll find your path. Good luck. That is a good answer, okay? That is a good answer. So you can go back here and you can literally thumb up, reply, paste, boom. Okay? You're just being valuable. I didn't ask them to do anything for me. I didn't ask them to go anywhere, and they're just going to be like, damn, thank you.